Welcome to Denny's Roofing, where excellence meets craftsmanship. Looking for roof installation and replacement in Louisville, Colorado? Look no further. We've got you covered with top-notch service. We are experienced at building secure, great-looking residential and commercial roofs. Our team specializes in providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses. Receive a free estimate and a thorough evaluation of your current roof. Your satisfaction is our priority. We ensure your project is done right. From asphalt to metal roofing, we offer a range of options to suit your needs. Don't compromise on the safety and beauty of your property. Choose our expert roofers. Let us help you enhance your home or business with a durable, attractive roof. Trust our experts to guide you through every step of the process. Call us today at 970-808-0247 for a consultation. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company to learn more about our services. We understand the importance of a reliable roof for your peace of mind. We're committed to exceeding your expectations every time. Denny's Roofing, building strong roofs, building lasting relationships in Louisville, Colorado.